Hello all, this is Deco Fanblade, and today I'll be showing you how to use the basic functions on an RP8 Napco Gemini P800 keypad. So, this is the basic keypad for the Gemini P800 panel. What this keypad consists is basically, as you can see, we got zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, and the rest of the zones indicated on the display. We got a status light and an arm light, and this light over here indicates that the panel has power, which is connected to the AC power. Sorry about the zone going on and off. It's basically I have a motion sensor attached to it, so please bear with me. So, to start off the video, how to arm and disarm the system. Well, to arm and disarm the system is quite easy. This on and off switch will do the trick. If you just press one time, will be in armed. To disarm, you basically input your code, and we are disarmed. Then we also have an easy exit mode, which basically is done by inputting function 0, which lets people walk in and out of the house. I mean, in a 3-minute period. We got the belt and battery test. So basically, this keypad, like the last one, doesn't have a hold down function. So as you can see, we got the function key right here. So to do that, we go function and 1. Hang on a second, function 1. And there we go. You cannot take too much time by inputting the function and the first function command. So we got the belt and battery test. We came out clear. That's good. So we also got a system display trouble. So let's say we have a trouble. The trouble light will be indicated right here as a triangle. To check your troubles, you input function and 4. But in this case, we don't have any functions, so it doesn't matter what we do. It won't go into the function trouble seeker as we don't have any troubles. However, I will explain that when you do have a trouble condition, you input function 4, and there will be some numbers turned on, which indicate different things, like low battery, if I recall, was number 2. No telecommunications is number 1, and so forth. You got to check the manual for that, which is easy to find on the internet. To go into program mode, basically it's really easy. You do function 8 right here, and you input your dealer's programming code. And basically, programming is a complete different story on this panel, so I won't get much into detail. Do that in some other video. And finally, we got the keypad sounder off, which is on and off, which is function 9. There we go. So basically, hang on a second. You got to do this really quick. All right, there we go. That means the keypad has inputted the command on there. When you hear that chirp, it means that you're good to go. To deactivate right now we don't have the sensor as well on the entryway, so of course we're not going to get any detection. But to simply turn down that sounder, go to this, and there we go. And we're back to status. Finally, we got a whole new set of features right here. So when arming, we can do interior. When you're programming, you don't have to go and bypass the certain zones. You can only do interior, and it'll arm immediately all the interior zones. We got instant, so I'll show you guys how that instant function works, which it'll be really loud, by the way. There we go, we're armed, and we press instant. The light will start flashing as always, and we're going to trip the alarm. Oh, hang on a second. Yeah, I remember that this the zone it's on is not an instant zone. So, well, basically we got the instant activated there. So to remove it, we just simply deactivate the alarm. Finally, as you can see down here, we got some small blue letters on the keys, which indicate fire, alarm, and police. To activate those, you need the asterisk, so you basically would press these two. For example, I'm going to press the fire one, and what we'll do here is we're going to, oh, hang on a second. Hang on a tick. Sorry about that. What we'll do is, here we go. If I do have the functions on there. Well, I mean, sorry, I don't have the functions. But anyways, you get the idea. You use those to indicate to the central station whenever you got a fire or an alarm or a police condition. If you need the fire or alarm or police. Or I think that was ambulance. It depends, because sometimes it gives you alarm, sometimes ambulance. But you can actually select if you want the ambulance sent, which you can also buy the remote control for the emergency services as well. Anyways, one last thing. To reset, we got the simple reset key. And to bypass, let's say we're going to bypass zone 2. When we bypass zone 2, hang on a second, bypass zone 2. There we go. Now we can move and everything, because as you can see, we can't move while that zone is. There we go. The LED will start flashing like that. So basically, you can go ahead and arm the system, and you can move about and activate the sensor and everything. And basically, you can do the same thing with interior if you have interior programmed. To deactivate the bypass, you can simply input your code, and there you go. Anyways, this has been a Deco Fanblade cringy review of the Gemini P800 RP8 keypad functions. And if you do need a cheat sheet for that keypad functions, you can just simply lift it up here, and there you'll find some zone identifications and some fire, alarm, and police. And yeah, anyways, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys later. God bless you all, and happy Easter. Bye-bye.